Alright, check this out. I just got a Christmas present from PCB Way. This is awesome. They contacted me. They said they like my channel. They wanted to send me a present. So they sent me a present. So we should get festive. Alright, that ought to do it. Let's open this thing up. Okay. Let's see what we got going here. Pretty excited. And let's see, we have a bill of materials in here. Ooh, got a bunch of stuff on there, but let's not look at that. Throw this away. Let's look at this. Let's just go for it. Alright, here we go. Oh look, wait. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. PCB Way. Alright, this is gonna be epic, right? Foam. I got a PCB Way pen. PCB prototype the easy way. PCB Way. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see how. Oh, nice pen. Nice pen. Excellent. Okay. I got not one, but two 6-year stickers. Very nice. Very nice. I got one of these amazing things, which is a PCB Way ruler. See, I got another one down there. I actually bought one of these. They're so cool. So you've got your ruler, but then when you're exploring and trying to figure out, you know, how big something is, it has all the sizes on it, right? All your different pads, hole sizes, lots of stuff, trace sizes, all that. Really handy. So excellent. I love those things. And I got a yellow one. So these are different, you know, they can make PCBs in any of these colors. So a yellow one. Awesome. And a white one. Nice. And a shiny black one. Uh-oh, I'm not focused. A shiny black one. Okay, so that's another color that they can make. And a purplish one. Nice, nice. And red. This is one of my favorite. I use black and red are my two favorite board colors. But all right, so that's all of them. I've seen a lot of people using white. I like the black and the red. I mean, I am from the University of Georgia, right? So black and red. But that white's not bad. I don't like the yellow too much. Okay. Excellent. So that's that. And the next thing we have is come on. I can't get that thing out. A PCB Way Christmas Ornament. See if we can get a focus on that baby there. You know what? I'm going to have to get a CR 2032 battery for that thing right there. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. I found my 6-year button, and I think this battery is good. They sent that to me a while back, so let's see. Positive up, so that goes on like that, and then And that is enough to give you a seizure for Christmas. All right. So we got that going for us, which is nice. All right, next one. That looks like another ornament. A Christmas tree ornament. All right. Let's take the battery out of here. If I can get it out of here. And we will try it in here. Oh, this has them on both sides. So this is going to go. All right, these are just slowly changing. They're not so seizure inducing like the other ones were. So there you go. All right. That's number 2. And it looks like we've got one more in here and then just some foam. So we'll throw that over here. Ta-da! A Christmas ball. All right. I don't have enough batteries. All right, here we go. This one. Oh yeah. You can get a serious seizure. Drink a little eggnog and stare at this thing and you're going to be out. All right, so there's that. And I got 3 nice static bags. So there we go. Our 3 ornaments. Let's line up our entire take here. We've got badges. We've got stickers. This is an old badge they sent me. And we've got, I didn't even count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these awesome rulers that I don't need because I already have 2. Maybe we'll have to do a giveaway or something. Alright, let me know about that. Alright, so there is the PCB Way Christmas package. Nice, nice. Oh, I forgot the pen, and the pen, which is really nice. I love pens. Okay, so, and then I've got this thing. I made this. This is my Christmas contribution. See if I can get it. I'm going to have to turn some lights out. Hold on. Nope, going to have to turn out more lights. What the heck? Alright, nope. Let me try something else. Okay, so this is just some of these boards that I made in my last video. I've got them daisy chained together. See how they all solder up real nicely? And yeah, so then I've been working on some scrolling text, scrolling different ways. And there you go. There's my Christmas message for you. A little falling snow to finish out. Okay. I don't think it'll induce a seizure like this will. Okay, well, that just about wraps it up. Here, I'll take this out. For this nice PCB Way Christmas care package. So, pretty cool. It's been a strange year, but one thing that I really have enjoyed this year is making these PCB and having them built. So I like PCB Way as a company. They're doing some good stuff. They're building some quality stuff. I couldn't ask for better. I mean, even with this, which you saw in that other video with these tiny pixels on there, they did a great job. So, all right, well, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Hope you stay safe. Hope you stay healthy. And I'm hoping for better things next year, cooler things next year. So I'm just going to look at this. Hey, where's my bow tie? Oh, well.